You won't believe what happens when a smartphone's adhesive meets the power of Velcro. Imagine attaching your smartphone to any surface using a simple yet powerful technique. Velcro, invented by Swiss engineer Georges de Mestral in 1941, revolutionized fastening technology. By harnessing the hook and loop principle, you can secure your phone to any flat surface. This hack is not only convenient, but also protects your device from damage and loss. But that's not the strangest part. Velcro can be used in various ways beyond phone attachment. From clothing to home decor, the possibilities are endless with this versatile material. So, let's explore the fascinating world of Velcro and smartphone hacks. In this video, we'll dive into the science behind Velcro and its surprising applications. You'll learn how to create your own Velcro-based phone mounts and accessories. But wait until you hear what comes next, a mind-blowing fact about Velcro's history. Did you know that Velcro's inventor was inspired by observing burrs sticking to his clothing? This chance discovery led to the development of the iconic hook and loop fastener. Now, imagine being able to attach your phone to a wall or a car seat using a simple Velcro strip. It's like having a superpower for your device security and convenience at your fingertips. To create a basic Velcro phone mount, you'll need a few simple materials. A piece of Velcro, a phone case, and some adhesive tape are all you need to get started. Imagine being able to secure your phone in a crowded place or during an intense workout. But that's not all. Velcro can also be used to create custom phone cases and accessories. You can design your own patterns and colors to match your personal style. This hack is not only functional, but also adds a touch of personality to your device. But before we dive into the DIY process, let's talk about the science behind Velcro. The hook and loop principle is based on the idea of interlocking fibers. When you press the hook side against the loop side, the fibers interlock, creating a strong bond. This technology has been used in various industries, from clothing to medical devices. Now, imagine being able to attach your phone to a bike helmet or a stroller using Velcro. It's like having a dedicated phone mount that's easy to install and remove. To create a Velcro phone mount for a bike helmet, you'll need a few extra materials. A longer piece of Velcro, some adhesive tape, and a phone case are all you need to get started. Imagine being able to ride your bike with your phone securely attached to your helmet. But that's not all. Velcro can also be used to create custom phone holders for cars. You can design your own mounts and accessories to fit your vehicle's interior. This hack is not only convenient, but also adds a touch of style to your car's dashboard. But before we conclude, let's talk about the benefits of using Velcro for phone attachment. Not only does it provide security and convenience, but it also protects your device from damage. Imagine being able to drop your phone from a height without worrying about it shattering. Velcro phone mounts and accessories can also be customized to fit your personal style. You can choose from a variety of colors and patterns to match your device and your lifestyle. This hack is not only functional, but also adds a touch of personality to your device. So, if you're looking for a creative and practical way to attach your phone to any surface, look no further than Velcro. In this video, we explored the fascinating world of Velcro and its surprising applications. You learned how to create your own Velcro-based phone mounts and accessories. But most importantly, you discovered the power of Velcro and its potential to revolutionize the way we interact with our devices. So, subscribe for more incredible stories like this and join our community of curious learners. And don't forget to like and comment below with your favorite Velcro hack or DIY project. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.